sharing. So this session is about the DoraHacks and the Binance Smart Chain Global Hackathon Series number 4. It's a Singapore and Southeast Asia Hackathon. So it's sponsored by Binance Smart Chain. And we are starting the project demo today. So currently we have, I think, more than 12 projects already submitted to HackerLink. So if a developer from Southeast Asian countries and regions, you can go to hackerlink.io/en/grant, and you will see the GHS grant, and you will be able to submit a grant there. So for all details, you can check out on Medium. We have an article with great detail. So today we have the first live streaming session of projects from this hackathon. The first project is BSC launch. So BSC launch is exclusively for top tier projects on BSC. And the second project that is on the live stream demo today is Diary Protocol. So it's the DeFi protocol to trade derivatives. So without further ado, I will give the screen to BSC launch.
Thank you. Thank you very much. Can you hear me?
Yes.
Excellent. Well, first of all, it's for us, the BS launch team, a huge pleasure to be here today with DoraHacks and its extensive community. My name is Nuno Rodriguez. I'm the CEO of BS Launch. And I have with me as well in this call Vincent, who is the founder and CFO, Hani, who is our CMO, and Anyi, who is our CTO. We're a group of 4 passionate people about the investment and crypto sectors. Between all of us, we have significant experience in the traditional investment industry, from equities to currencies to commodities, as well as a lot of experience in the crypto sector, project management, and in building communities. So I will present today, and my colleagues will jump in as required as we go through the presentation. So what is BS Lounge? We're basically an integrated smart investment platform that we've developed on the Binance Smart Chain. And the goal is to become an incubator for high quality crypto projects and future unicorns. So the question is, why did we create BS Launch? What was the problem that we're trying to solve, or is the problem that we're trying to solve in the market? Well, no surprise for everyone here, the crypto sector is just booming exponentially. Before this meeting, I actually saw that Goldman Sachs, they executed their first crypto transactions, which is astonishing. And every day, more and more people are joining crypto, either on a full-time or a part-time basis. Now, the challenge is the amount of information available. It's quite overwhelming. It's not easy to digest. There's a lot of crypto projects out there. It's really difficult to find out which ones are solid and which ones end up just being fantasy. And as a result of that, we've seen a lot of investors losing money, a lot of money in poor quality projects and investments. And so we created BS Launch to address that. Our vision, our goal is to have under one platform, one-stop shop, both to attract and help high-quality projects to raise capital in an efficient and secured manner, and at the same time provide all the tools for the crypto community to trade and invest in crypto in a very user-friendly and smart way. So we basically want to accelerate and fast track high quality early stage crypto projects on the BSC. I will explain now the 6 key features of our BS launch platform. You will see that most of these features are not new in the market, but bringing them all together in a very user-friendly way, in a secured and transparent way under one roof, under one platform, in our view, is quite unique. So the 6 features, the key features we have at the moment, we have BLaunch. BLaunch, this is our capital raising platform. It's a very user-friendly launchpad to bring high-quality, top-tier crypto projects to the community in a safe and transparent manner. We have the Bakery. Bakery is a feature that we developed to address concerns that investors have in investing in low-quality projects. Through this Bakery feature, we developed a mechanism called the Community Governance Insurance, which basically locks part of the capital raised by projects into a liquidity pool. And why we do that? We do that first to guarantee liquidity, and second to protect investors from projects that end up not being delivered on the expectations. So in other words, you will see here on the screen just a normal transaction being brokered through a smart contract. The feature that we bring to the table that is quite unique, you will see the lock there. We basically lock the funding, and we will release the funding under certain criteria. Those criteria, for example, when the market price is equal or greater than a fixed price. So that protects investors from projects, unfortunately, where are not end up being what they were supposed to be, and we've seen endless examples of that. So we believe that with this insurance feature, these Bakery features we call, we bring some protection to the investment community. If we go back to the previous screen, Ani. Now we have going through. I'll give you an overview of all these features, and then we'll talk more in detail about it. Now, if we want to trade or invest in this in crypto, what type of solutions we have in place? We have the pen tools, and we have the bread swap. So what is the pen tools feature? This is an advanced AI system that enables crypto investors to analyze the market and invest efficiently. So you will see here the normal features of a chart. You can play with the metrics. You can build your own analysis. We've added some unique features as well. The possibility, for example, for our users to observe top holders and see which coins they have in their crypto portfolios. We also developed the possibility to follow specific coins and get alerts on your own Telegram accounts on specific price movements. And these functionalities, we're very excited about this functionality, but we will always keep an eye on in the market, and we'll keep listening from our communities to understand what they need, and we'll continue to enhance our functionality as needed. So we're quite excited about this feature. If we go back. In the pen tools, in the bread swap feature, this is basically where we can swap tokens in a very user-friendly way. You will see that this is, again, these tools are tools that are available out there, but what we believe that is quite exciting is the possibility for a user to have everything under one roof, where they they access this platform on a daily basis, more than once a day, many times during the day, not only to check which projects are currently being are under capital raise, and to check, to trade, to check the portfolios, to see what's happening in the industry. So basically, a portfolio of tools that will make the experience for the crypto investor friendly and quite transparent. Last but not least, we have the last tool, the NFT Bakery. Basically, this is our solution for non-fungible token sector. We basically enables high-quality NFT projects to access capital and to be launched in the market. So quite a nice variety of solutions under one roof. This is available on testnet, so the developers can go in and play around and see the code behind it and send us their comments. So user-friendly platform. We want to accelerate mainstream crypto adoption. We want to bridge the gap between high-quality investment opportunities and the crypto community. This community keeps growing exponentially, and we need to make sure we have the right services for them. So I think I would like to stop here and ask if there are any questions, and let also my colleagues step in.
Yeah, so I think currently it's fine. You can continue, and we will have all the questions after your whole presentation.
Okay, that's fine. So in terms of where we are with our with the development of these tools, I'll share a roadmap with you shortly. But at the moment, we're focusing in product development, and we are we're reaching out to. We feel very privileged to have already the backup and the support from quite a few strong players in this industry, including Eric. We have already some of the tools developed. You will see here in our roadmap, most of the tools will be completely available on the fourth quarter of 2021. But again, we have not formally, but I would say 75% of our tools are already developed and ready to be tested and used. I think for now, I think we've covered the points that we wanted to address. I'm mindful of the time that we have, and yes, thank you again very much for this opportunity to present our solution here. We're very excited. We think we're bringing something quite unique to the table. The BSC is getting more and more traction. We believe there's a lot of upside in the Binance Smart Chain, and as a result of that, the deal flow that will come through our platform, I think it will be quite exciting. We're looking for high quality projects to help in the capital raise, projects that have the right team behind it. They're bringing the right products, and they have exciting token metrics that make sense. We're bringing transparency. We want to make sure the experience is user friendly, and we really want to have the support from DoraHacks and the community. So thank you.
All right, thank you. So I think one of the major questions right now is so do you have any products or like beta version of products to demo? Just in terms of yeah, so like have you facilitated any
For example,
sales?
sure. For example, this is our B launch platform. You can see here. This is we have already actually we have already projects under these in our in our solution. But you will see that the B launch will have in a very user friendly way the upcoming pools. If we go down, we have our featured pools and closed pools as well. And if we go into each, for example, let's go into one of these pools and see the information available there. You will see here the metrics associated and the relevant information about the project, which will make it easy for the investor to access it.
All right, cool. Yeah.
So I would like to, yeah. So I would like to demonstrate how it works. So
Great.
yeah, in BSC launch we open with everyone. So we have both mainnet and testnet, and for all of our functions, users can go here and try with the testnet first. So here we are in mainnet. I will switch to testnet and try one. Okay, so here we have those project. So let me try with this. What we're doing is we try B launch feature. So in launchpad we use fix. We use with the pool with fixed rate. So it's very easy. You can just change. You can just swap. For example, your limit is 1,000. Let's say sky. So you can just swap. And there is one minor point. It's minor, but I want to mention here. So if you try other platform, Launchpad, you will see that every time the investor swap, the token will be held in the smart contract, and they have to do one more step, which is claim transaction, will consume some gas. But in here, we optimize the contract so that once you swap, the token will be sent directly to your address. So what we want to say is it's very small point, but everything we do is to bring more convenience and safety to our investors. Okay, so we had tried with the this B launch. So now we can try with our B swap, our swap function. Okay, I will try from the mainnet. You will see sometimes the testnet and the mainnet have different UI. So okay. Sorry, just swap. So one thing I want to mention here that Nuno had mentioned sometime before, that this is the very first UI that under development. So we have many other features that will be added on this screen so that the investors can monitor everything and to spot the opportunity when they stay here in our platform. So that's what we will try to keep our user stay with our investment platform.
So, in other words, absolutely. In other words, we want not you. It's a one-stop shop. That's really what we were trying to get here. One-stop shop where users can they can trade, they can swap, and they also can come to participate in capital raise for high-quality projects. So that's the goal behind BSC launch.
All right. So in terms of the swap and launch, is there any new mechanisms invented by this platform or protocol?
Okay, I would like to answer this question. So for actually, launch is a very, common feature. And what it make it special is the bakery, the mechanism that we introduced before. So this feature will be included in our smart contract. So it's the difference.
Yeah, sure. So it's mostly about fund safety, right?
Yes, it is.
Okay, cool. So I think we have a few more minutes. Mia, do you have any more questions from the community right now?
We currently don't have any questions from the audience yet, but when they have questions, I'll just post them in the group chat so that everyone can see.
Okay, great. It's about time. I think we can switch to Dairy protocol. Yeah, thank you guys for demonstrating BSC launch.
Thank you. Our pleasure.